So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers installed for your device. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that everything's been selected, and then click on clean up system files. And now once it shows up again, you're going to select everything again, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now as the scan's running, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in chkdsk /f/r, click on enter. Once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. Now it's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't restart it yet till you complete the next steps in the video. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. If you have any programs that you installed recently that you think may have caused a problem, then you want to uninstall it. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then uninstall it. And then we're going to click on Windows Update on the bottom left, and then click on Check for Updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on scan options, and then click on full scan, and then click on scan now. Then you want to run the scan. Now once this and the sfc scan now scan that you did in the command prompt has been completed, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.